Hi everybody, welcome back to Catherine's Corner. And I have my friend the potato here. My co-host Sophie is here. And we have a package.
From Elf!
Yes, from
one of my
Elf.
favorite brands. Oh, my nose. Okay.
And this is the stuff that I had on order when I did my every brand from Elf.
Excuse you.
You gotta pull that.
Yeah,
Their packages are so hard to open.
I just ripped it.
You gotta pull that. Their packages are really hard to open.
I'm trying it with this end. Okay, Elf. You're changing my book. Oh, there we go.
Yeah, stick your finger under there and pull that tabby.
The potato's having technical difficulties. 10,000 years later. There we go.
No, not yet. Wait, you trying to open it.
Okay. Now I'm trying to grab that. I got grab scissors.
No, you just gotta pull it.
Okay. Okay. Oh my
See,
god.
it's a pain, and you gotta
I gotta get my glasses.
pull it.
Oh my goodness gracious. Guys, Elf is killing us.
You gotta pull it, and then it opens. What does it say?
Express your Elf.
Oh,
We got some words.
express your elf. Okay. And then they've got little more gizmos you gotta open and open and open and open.
And then here's this.
And then it wasn't a big order.
And then Potato gets it. Gets
Okay,
the box.
Potato gets it. Come on, Sophie. This is the Elf Halo Glow Setting Powder. And I got the pink color.
I think Coco's wants. Look at all this bubble wrap. I'm in heaven, guys. Oh, yeah. Oh, okay.
Oh, it's got the peel off and the turny thing in there. Oh, that's nice.
Those are satisfying.
Oh, you want to peel off.
Give me.
Make it satisfying. If you can peel it off.
I found the opening. I just gotta get my nail under there. Excuse you. You fix it.
Yeah, it's
and
not
then I'll
easy.
peel it. Potato gets angry easily.
Peel off and turn dial. Okay, gotta find the edge.
I already found it. I almost broke my nail. Actually, I did break off my nail. I broke my nail.
Oh, you know what? I think you have to turn the dial before you can peel it.
Did you turn the dial?
Mm-hmm. Boy, they do not make it easy.
I lost the scissors already anyways. Anywho.
All right, well, you know what?
We'll get back to this.
Yeah, we'll get back to the powder.
I'm going to work on that while I give you the next thing. Just gonna...
What do we got here? Okay, we've got one of the Rouge, the O Face Satin Lipsticks. And this one is in the color No Regrets.
Ow. Ow. Sarah's just gonna hurt herself this
Don't play with that. Just we'll,
I figured out what the knob does. It has that one of those big openings.
Come on, here it comes.
You good?
Yeah, I got it. No, I got the top off. Ooh, No Regrets is the darker color.
I like it. It's my new hat. I'm an evil potato.
Mmm. Ooh, this is a bright red.
Ooh, Grandpa likes bright red.
It is much creamier. It's supposed to be magnetic. It is magnetic, but you got to get it the right way. Oh, it will flip. That's cute.
It's St. Patrick's Day is on a Friday, and it's Mommy's weekend, so I might be able to come over here and
That
get my
is
makeup
a nice
done.
bright red. Tissue, please, ma'am.
Do you guys like my hat? No, it's gonna fall off. Co-host, do you want a hat? If you want a hat, look at me. Sophie!
No, no.
Your dog doesn't want to look at me.
And she doesn't want a tissue.
She wants a hat.
No, I mean a hat. We'll save this for something. I got another color. I don't like the name, Loud AF. Nah, I'm not my favorite kind of name. Oh, this is gonna rip.
I have so much elf products, and then they come with a name like this. So I think it's not very kid-friendly makeup.
Well, I'm rather old-fashioned, and I don't like that much cussing. Although there are a few words that I do use on the daily that I shouldn't.
Am I pointing exactly? Ow! You hit the potato.
Ooh, this is a pretty color too.
That's cute. I'm taking off my hat. Did you just go? We went to the flea market today and I saw the cutest little puppies.
It's a pretty bright red too.
Yes, let's go.
I did not think these were going to be this bright.
I think I know what the next one is.
I thought it was going to be much lighter.
It has a tail. The tape got stuck to. There we go.
Well, I am certainly going to have enough reds for the summer.
And me, little Miss
And fall.
Crazy Girl.
That's all I got was the
4 things.
I didn't get the mascara sample.
Uh-oh.
I wonder why they didn't send the sample.
Maybe they forgot. Co-host.
Maybe because I
Co-host is
used,
getting her 2 cents.
maybe they wouldn't send the sample because I used my $10 coupon. This is called Dirty Talk.
Toasty. Okay, come here, you little turd.
Whoops.
Oh my goodness. Co-host is getting attacked. We're under attack. Come here. She's getting in her 2 cents. Huh? You getting in your 2 cents?
You don't wear lipstick, co-host.
Maybe she was a makeup artist in her past life. Oh, okay. She wanted that bad.
Ah, this is more of a nude color. You can try this one on later, potato, when you don't have
No,
your
I'm doing
mask
the red.
on. Oh, well. And this is creamier than that 99-cent one that I had tried on before. We'll have to see how long it lasts. The 99-cent one did last pretty much.
Come here, baby. We're gonna explore. Come here.
So I still don't have a mascara to try. I guess I'll have to actually buy one. But I do have a setting powder to try. So the next time I do a full face of e.l.f. products.
Yeah, we do. We have a mascara.
I don't have an e.l.f. mascara. So I'll have everything but the mascara. And I'll just have to pick one up at the store. And then I'll have everything. But I thought I'd show you the lipsticks that I had ordered. And then I got the setting powder. So next time we'll have full face. Okay? We'll see you soon. Say bye, Sophie. She's so cute. See you soon. Bye.